Today we are doing a fast-paced Pilates workout, so take breaks whenever you need to. Feel free to slow it down as needed. And we're gonna get started standing at the back of our mat. So I want you to take an inhale here, and then exhale, tuck your chin, and we're gonna roll down till our hands land wherever they happen to land. Inhale, exhale, roll back up. We're gonna do it again. Inhale. Exhale, roll down. Then we're gonna walk our hands out to a plank position. Drop your knees, lean back for a stretch. Come back up to all fours, curl your toes, up to plank, lean up and back, walk your hands back, and roll back up. Okay, that is our series. We're gonna do it again. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll back down. Inhale, exhale, walk all the way out to a plank. Drop your knees, lean back for a stretch. Come back up, curl the toes, lift to a plank, lift your hips up and back, walk your hands back, roll it back up. So inhaling and exhaling as you go. We're starting to build some heat in the body. We're starting to warm up our arms, our hips, our breath. Finding a little stretch, a little bit of work, and some mobility. This is a really nice warm-up series for any activity that you do. This is the last one. We're gonna roll down. Walk your hands out. Stay here in plank. Point the right toes. Lift, lower, lift, lower. And you can do this right on your knees, okay? So you can just stay on your knees. 3, 2, 1. Other side. This is called leg pull here in Pilates. Have a little bend in your elbows. Try to keep your hips level. Last one. Lower the foot, lift up and back, and just walk it out. Okay, so letting the heels alternately press back to your mat. And let's lift the right leg up, get a really big stretch. Bring it forward so your right elbow touches your right knee. Lift the leg up and back. Forward so your right elbow touches your left knee. And this also, you can do down on your knees, okay? So you can do it right here. Lift, bring it in. Lift, bring it in. So you always have options. One more each elbow. So wherever you are, just even yourself out. Nice job. Bring it up and back. And then I do want you bring it forward and down. So my right knee is down, left leg is gonna lift. Now lower the foot to the right side of your mat. Lift it up, lower it to the left. Up and across, up and across. It's like you're drawing a rainbow in the air with that left foot. So really use whatever power you have to lift that leg up, across, up, across. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it up, bring it in, knees apart, shift back. Come back up, walk your feet out, curl your toes. We're in a plank again. Take your hips up and back. Left leg up, here we go. Bring it forward to your left elbow, just squeeze it in as much as you can. Up, forward to the right elbow. And remember, you can rest whenever you need to, okay? You can always decide, you know what? I need to take it to a more beginner level workout. I have plenty of those to offer. So you're just meeting your body wherever it is. And then sometimes you step outside that comfort zone, you push yourself, and you realize, wow, I can do more than I thought I could, right? Good, come in, Lower the knee down, right leg lifts. Let's lower it down to the left, up, down to the right. So like I said, you're always just meeting your body wherever it is that day. Nice long neck. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in. Shift it back again. Roll yourself back up. Swing the legs around in front. So we're going to have our legs mat distance apart. You're going to sit up nice and tall on those sit bones. Bring your hands to your sides to find that tall posture. Then we're going to bring arms in front. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale dive. Inhale up. Now listen, we're going to go 3. So you go forward, forward, forward. Inhale. So you'll see how we're making this more fast-paced. This is actually more like a traditional Pilates class where you combine the movements one to another. You keep that flow going. One more. Restack, hands behind your head, twist to your left, center, right, center. So keep trying to grow nice and tall. 4, 3. It's still a controlled movement, even if it's a little quicker. Center. Glue the legs together. Arms in front. Inhale, tall. Exhale, curl. We're going to release and roll back down, but we're going to come right back up. Arms come back. Then arms up, roll. Remember, if it's hard for you to roll up, if you have that little sticky spot and it's hard to roll up over it, grab a towel, roll it lengthwise, put it across the low back. And I have a whole video tutorial just on that, on how to do these roll downs and rolling back up to make it a little easier. Okay, so nothing wrong with that. Use a prop as needed to help. Use little tips and tricks. Your body will get stronger over time, even with that. Roll down, listen up. Stop at the shoulder blades. Bring your right knee in, squeeze it hard. Your left leg is hovered. We're gonna switch legs. Switch, 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 switch. Give it a good squeeze each time it comes in. Single leg stretch. If you cannot do the crunch, you just lay your head down flat and do the same movement, okay? 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Straighten the leg up. Whichever leg you have, straighten it up. Reach. See if you can walk yourself a little higher. Give it a little pull, 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 switch. Pull, 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 switch. So you can barely see any movement, but what I'm doing is I'm just pausing there for those little pulls to see if I can get my crunch a little higher, get my stretch a little deeper. 2 more. Not for the faint of heart. Nice job. Come down, hug your knees in. All right, find yourself on your mat. In case you lost yourself like I did there for a minute, straighten your legs up, turn them out. You're gonna lower them down about halfway and lift back up. Okay, lower and lift. So you're only lowering as much as it feels controlled to you, whatever control means. For me, if I go farther than that, my back starts to arch, the tension goes into my pelvic floor. I don't like it. Okay, nice. Roll up, stay here. Hands behind your head. Really reach and stretch your legs. Roll up into a crunch and do the same thing. And you might notice, it's not easier, but the legs sometimes can go lower. 4 more. 4. This is probably one of the hardest Pilates ab exercises for me. 2, 1. Nice job. Hug your knees in. Rock it side to side. Keep your right leg and straighten your left leg out. Give it a good squeeze. Bring the knee over to the left. You're going to look over to the right. And then back to center. Switch legs. Left leg, squeeze it in. Take the knee to the right. Arm to the left. Back up to center. Hug both knees in. Rock it side to side. And great job. I hope you feel worked out, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I have new videos that come out. You can find more, including my exclusive unlimited community with full-length workouts, a workout calendar, recipes, and more over at jessicavalantpilates.com. Join our unlimited program. I would love to see you there.